Hi, my name is Amit Saha. I'm the founder and CEO of Pro India, a company that I started in early 2018 as a Chief Sustainability Officer of Coca Cola, where I worked for 20 years and was managing such aspects. I realized that I could contribute much more to the plastic waste management sphere, which is interconnected with the planet, the people, and could generate profits due to its residual value. At Pro India, I discovered that the purpose of my life is to contribute to society with the knowledge and experience that I have gained. Did you know that India consumes 300 billion pieces of plastics every year, most of which is littered in the environment? Pro India has a mission to bring back littered plastic into the circular economy. What our massive plastic problem needs is a multi stakeholder waste management solution. The government is doing its work by putting strong policy on plastic waste management and extended producers responsibility EPR for plastic producing companies and brands. Now it is up to the companies like us to bring back the plastics from the environment, and that's where we step in. Welcome to Pro India, one stop destination for plastic circularity. EPR in India is now a reality. We have plastic waste rules, and what we see here is that PRO, a producer responsibility organization, is the center of the entire set of stakeholders involving plastic pollution problem. PRO India integrates diverse set of stakeholders, bringing all of them together under plastic waste rules. On the top, we work with brands, producers, municipalities, waste management companies on compliance and innovation. And on the bottom is the ecosystem awareness that we create with NGOs, communities, and academia. Pro India offers three solutions and has three product lines which are immediate and in the future. The first one is EPR, which I'll talk about. Second one is circular economy products, which is franchised growth for putting up recycling factories. And the third one is plastic exchange. On EPR, execution and advocacy in consulting, we have been curating knowledge partnerships, building awareness, consulting on net zero plastics, also building advocacy at the policy level with Ministry of Environment and Forest. We have strategic alliances with KPMG, TERI, and IPMA. These are our knowledge partners. In our second product, we have built recycling factories through a franchised model. We only take a very small share in the business. That way, our capexes are very, very small. This generates revenue model for our company, both on one-time fee and also on annuity basis. Later, we want to even get into forward integration of retail products through this route of franchised reselling of Pro India branded resins. And after that, 2 years from now, we are looking at forward trading in B2C business of plastic tiles, block sheets made of used plastic material. At present, we have already sold 5,500 t-shirts made out of recycled plastic bottles. The third and our visionary product is the plastic exchange. We have been in discussion with London Metal Exchange, Singapore Exchange, and also DGCX and NSE back home in India for a very transparent exchange of plastic credits between polluters and retrievers. It is like carbon credit exchange. However, supply chains are inclusive in plastics, and there has to be a track and trace and certifications on the same, which we are trying to build to the worldwide standards of Vera and few others. We have an awesome team. All of us bring huge amount of proven industrial experience that is going very well for our EPR and other businesses when it comes to supply chain. We also are guided by a very strong advisory board which has relevant expert knowledge and experience to take us to things like plastic exchange. Our ask over the next 14 months is $500,000, and with that, what we are expected to do is put that money in personal and working capital. We are looking at putting up a large recycling plant for forward recyclables And in the next 15 to 30 months, we begin our work in plastic exchange, for which we need $2.5 million. At Pro India, we believe in smart and scalable solutions to the massive problem of plastic waste. We believe our role as enablers to put circular economy in motion. Be the catalyst and make it happen. End of plastic waste. Please support our cause of bringing back plastic waste into the circular economy. Please connect us to your network and enable us to scale by providing growth capital. We plan to pull back 10% of plastic waste with the help of AEPW in 2025. That's our promise.